B52, you have a spreadsheet with rows of numbers, and for each row you want the difference between the largest value and the smallest value. And the checksum is the sum of all those differences. So here, 9 is largest and 1 is smallest, so the difference is 8. Here's 7 minus 3 is 4, and here 8 minus 2 is 6. So you add those together. All right, so this looks pretty easy, but you'll have to think about what kind of structure to make. What I would do for a case like this is I'd set, I make my list num spreadsheet equals, I'd make a list of lists. Although you're going to, I don't know what's going to be best when you're trying to input a list of hundreds or thousands of them, which is what you're going to have to do later. But this is one way to do it. Now I'll have a list of lists. And so now I can do for L in spreadsheet. I think this will give me the individual lists, and then print L. Let's see how that works. Notice this is what I always say, do just a few lines and test it. So I manage sessions, terminate all other sessions, okay. Okay, close, now run. Perhaps I forgot, oh, up here. Oh yes, I forgot commas here, didn't I? I need commas throughout. Okay, that might do it. Yep, so now I get the list, and now for each of these lists, I could find the maximum and minimum, and I could do that by looping through the numbers and finding the maximum minimum. There's also, I think, a max and minimum functions, so I could do max of L and min of L. I think that'll work. Yeah, so it looks pretty easy. The only trickiest part is going to be to get your data into that format. And so here's an example of the data you're going to have to use. Yeah, and like I thought, it's a big chart of numbers. A lot of rows and a lot of numbers in each row, I think. So you'll have to consider how to input this into the data you need. All right. Anyway, that's the first one. And then find the only two numbers in each row where one evenly divides the other and use them. All right, another way of just doing it. So again, you're just practicing inputting data and then looping through it. All right, that's all I wanted to show you about that one.